Hello! It's been a while, but I'm back. I'm going to briefly talk about what happened. This is the Python 4 tutorial. This video is going to be for me to amend some things that I did in the last video and to add on to it. Last one was about variables, I believe. I have two major points of that, and I guess I'll talk about a bit of an update. So, I have a new computer. It's got two monitors. It's fancy. It's a desktop. I haven't been able to upload because I had to set up a new computer and I've had a lot of schoolwork. I've been doing stuff because Maria wanted to do vlogs, so I thought that was kind of fun. So I got those up. But I'm back. I don't know if I'm going to be doing any games, but I'm definitely going to be doing more programming stuff because I think that's really fun. Give you about an update. I got a new internship. I might have said that in the vlog. Refurbishing computers at Triangle E-Cycling. I'm getting up there in the technical world. I'm trying to network, and I've been networking since like 15. So I think people seem to stand out, or I seem to stand out as being like a young person who's trying to do well. But it's unfortunate because I'm getting a bit older, so people aren't going to be as impressed. That's a downside to things. Another thing is my friends and I had this great idea. They said they liked it. Sometime summer, I'm going to pick a week. I'm just moving stuff on my desk while I talk. During the summer, we're going to pick a week. I'm going to do a 7-day standalone indie game sort of like challenge thing to see if we can think it'll be fun. So it'll be in the summer, since school's rough. We go to a pretty rigorous school. We're going to pick a day. We're going to pick 7 days. My bad. And those 7 days, from start to finish, would have, from creation to playability, created an entire game. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I have a lot of hope for it. Another fun thing is I got a scholarship to Johnson C. Smith University for $12,000. I'm probably not going to go there, but I think it's really cool. That's about it. My new computer is excellent. I'm going to be able to do a lot of better things, more rendering. I can do more types of tutorials. The language for the game is not in Python because Python isn't the only language I know. It's in C# because C# is best for games. Well, at least that's what the plan is. I'm running it by them. We're gonna be doing some mini, we're gonna do 48-hour tests before we start, just so that we can sort of have practice. Because I'm not sure how many games they've made, so I haven't asked. It's my little sister, Lyndon Johnson. And I'm just kidding. Lyndon Bowen and Sean Rhodes. And I think that we might be able to get we might be able to do a video for it too, which would be pretty fun, so you can sort of document what's happening. But yeah, I might cut this part up, but we're gonna get right into the tutorial. Like I said, I just wanted to talk about things and sort of amend what happens. This is functions part, or not functions, my bad. This is variables part 2. Big things I want to talk about. I believe last time I said words equals 5, and then print words, and this should print out 5, right? Let's see. Yeah. That might be confusing. I said because words has 5 in it. It's not printing out words because there's 5 letters in it. It's just printing out words because that just happens. Or, it's printing out 5 just because it happens to be what I assigned words to. So, I know for some reason I said words has 5 letters in it. That was not meaning. It's not going to print out whatever it is. There is a function for that, but we'll do that another time when we get into functions. Another thing that I thought was important that I did not talk about is with variables. Let's say, and actually I'm not sure if I talked about this. I can't exactly remember now. But let's say I have a equals, we'll say hello, b equals world. It's very simple. And then we can do a plus b. Oh, almost messed up there. You want to put stuff beforehand. I almost messed up here. C equals. Ooh, I'm having an error. There. C equals that. And that's not me. So let me just go ahead and fix that just to make myself happy. Alright, and that should that should do that. And then if I print C, it should print a hello world. Oh, if I do this, I forgot to add a space, but it's important because this shows you can add strings together as variables to make. So this is actually two separate strings just put next to each other. It doesn't turn them into one string. There's something else for that. That's I get to get a function. I didn't go over this last time, but it's also important to know that if I do a equals 3 now, which I've just reassigned my a variable, not from hello, but now it's 3, and then I do print c. It's oh, interesting. Well, this might be. I might cut here and get back to you whenever I figure out why that happened. I think what happened is it needs to get updated. Yeah, see, it still thought that a plus b was the old one because I hadn't updated it before I did it. I never come across that because it's the first time I've ever made a tutorial, but I figured it out pretty quickly, so it wasn't too embarrassing. So like you see, it says most recent callback a plus b unsupported open operand type s for plus init and str, meaning you can't int not init in it. So it means you can't add an integer and a string, so you can't add words or letters. Just be weird because it thinks of it as math and it only thinks of the strings adding together. It's important that that's two different things. That's pretty much going to be it. I just wanted to update you guys and give you a little correction on my last video. Yet again, I apologize for not uploading in a while. You know, school's rough. But bye-bye.